I think for posterity is most important. There has been no effort made to keep the film industry alive for the next generations. There have been only one person I know that has worked in the Film Institute of India, Mr. Nair, who has been working tirelessly towards this. I think it's a very good move, and we are contributing to this movement, and I hope that it brings a lot of success. Thank you.
Sir, one question. Has any of your films lost forever?
I don't know, and which is why we are here, because we don't know how many films have been lost and whether they are being preserved or not. But Shiven Singh is here, who is in charge of, made this initiative, and we really went through an entire list of what are the films that are in danger of being lost. I have named a few that need to be restored. I'm sure that, and hopefully, many more will come forward to give their contribution to restore these films.
I think it's very important because films somewhere are our heritage and they're our culture, and you know, the only way to understand things and the times that we don't live in is through the cinema and through the culture. And I think it's very important that we preserve our films.
I feel what they are doing now is a commendable effort. I mean, this should have started long time back. You won't believe some of our own films, like Parinda, we are restoring now. There are films that I have grown up, they are lost. You know, this is something that I not only stand by, I support, and I am grateful to Shivendra for actually starting this.
I think it's very much needed. I'm so happy that Shivendra Singh and Ira and the whole team, they're doing this. And the world over, they kind of, today, like for a festival, we are trying to look for print of Mother India and all the Bimal Roy films, and we can't find a restored proper print that you can screen today. I'm saying it's so important that we have those films and they're in condition that they can be played again and again, and so that our kids or the coming generation understands where it is all evolved from. And so much more important, and I'm so happy they're doing this. Whole lot of things. I'm saying everything from, say, a Kismet to a Mother India to a Pyasa, all these movies need to come out, restored. These movies are our heritage and we need to put it out there. Recently people discovered Gurudutt in Europe some 10 years back, and since then they have, like, you know, like, where did he come from? He never got his due then. I'm saying there's so much that's there that we need to restore and we need to put it out there. And yes, there are, like this Deepak Cinema, that these guys have started this initiative. They're showing a whole lot of world cinema that's been restored. And why not our own?
We are far behind the international platform in terms of preservation. Hollywood is preserved. You know, if you go to the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, everything is preserved. We are very late, but we are at least beginning, and that's a great thing, that we have started doing something we should have done long time back. So like I said before, I'm very grateful to this organization for coming to India.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.